Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, highlighting text in Premiere Pro. How do we do it? I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? So rectangle tool down here, okay? Drag that over what you want to highlight. So I want to do this line, so I'm going to do that, okay? Head up into Effect Controls, then where it's the shape that you've just added, expand that menu, fill, and choose a highlight color, okay? Of course it's highlighting, so probably a yellow would be good, a bright yellow ideally. You've got your colour now. Scroll all the way down to opacity. This one at the bottom, okay? Not the one that's under the shape tab, the one at the very bottom which is separate. Okay, and change your blend mode to multiply. And you have it highlighted, okay? I could stop there. Don't stop watching, because I could have stopped. Okay, so don't stop. I'm going to show you how to animate it so it looks really good, okay? So it looks phenomenal. What do? Is you see this anchor point, okay? So press the select tool and double tap on your text so you have the anchor point. Move your anchor point all the way to the left, okay? All the way. Then you want to head up into the shape again, the shape menu, okay? I made this mistake when I learned how to do it. It has to be in the shape menu. If you do it in the other in any other menu, it won't work pretty much. Shape menu, under transform, turn off uniform scale, okay? Then horizontal scale, press that stopwatch. You've created a keyframe. Drag the keyframe a little bit further out. Put that down to 0. Okay. Now let's play that video. And it animates it for you. Doesn't that look nice? Oh, but I have even more, so keep watching, okay? Right click, ease out on the second one, right click, ease in on the first one, and it's going to look that much nicer, okay? And you can just copy and paste that for different lines, and it'll do the exact same thing, okay? You'll need to adjust the keyframes just so they highlight sort of incrementally. But that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.